Hello YouTube family, this is Ravi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are back with the new series where we will learn about how to get certified in ServiceNow. Basically, this is the most asked questions by our students, our career seeking, you can say employees who are looking for ServiceNow certification but they don't know from where to start. So in this video, I'm going to cover that topic, and even in this series I'm going to cover the CSA exam preparation questions. Even I'm going to bring CAD exam questions. So all the certification exam questions along with the explanation, along with the answers, I'm going to explain you this series. But before that, let's see what are the roadmap to ServiceNow certification. So if you see my screen, on my screen you will notice we have a term called roadmap. Basically, this roadmap is the one which every developer, every admin has to follow if you are starting your career with ServiceNow. So obviously, when you have started your career with ServiceNow, somewhere you have to start, then get the certification, and then get the other steps on your ServiceNow career. So if you see my screen, what are the questions basically people used to ask me? What, from where I should get the certification? They are confused about what certification to pick first, which certification to choose, where to register, where to get the certification for freshers, which certifications a fresher will choose, and what are the mode of examination. So these are the most common questions which I pick from my past experience, as well as my students, as well as my employees. So you will notice, first of all, the very basic part of your service now is your certified system administrator exam. Every fresher has to take that exam. Once you're part of any organization, you can take that exam. Even before that also, you can have that certification with you. The only difference between being part of any organization and without having part of any organization, the cost. If you are part of any organization, the certifications cost are pretty much less or even free. So the basic is your platform development certification, which consists of two certifications mostly. If you see, the first one is your ServiceNow Fundamental, and this course I am currently covering in my session Learn ServiceNow from Zero till Advanced in Hindi and English version. So this is already going on my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, go and subscribe it, and you will get all the content over here and all the touch-based point I have started from very zero till advanced. I have covered it. So first of all, to get certified in ServiceNow, you should get the ServiceNow Fundamental. This is for the freshers who are starting your career in ServiceNow. We are going to start the career in ServiceNow. And that exam name is your Certified System Administrator. And where to register, I'll tell you in this video. So be in this video till end. I am going to share with you where to register, how to get it for free, how to get it for low cost, everything I'll tell you. Now, in this platform application development, we have two things. First one is fundamental, which we are covering, and scripting fundamentals. This also we are going to cover in our upcoming series, which is ServiceNow scripting. I think there's two videos over there. You can go back and check it if you are already know the admin part. If you don't know admin part, you can skip that video and you can learn the ServiceNow fundamentals, which we are seeing. Now over here we have certified application developer. So these two are the base, you can say, certification you should have. But if you don't have, doesn't matter. Anything knowledge is matter for you. But just be part of organization, grab this certification if there's a possibility that if they are free, and if they're not free, then it will be reimbursed when you're part of any organization. Now, if you see, if you're starting your career in ServiceNow, the first step is to know the ServiceNow fundamental as I discussed, and then take the CSA exam. That first certification, every fresher has to have it when you are part of any organization and when you are part of client projects. Now, again, this certification is not compulsory for all the organization. It all depends. Now, I will take you to my page where you can see this is a website called nowlearning.servicenow.com. You need to come to this nowlearning.servicenow.com website. So once you come and log into this particular website, all your certification path will be available over here. You just log in with your company credentials, or you're not having the company credentials, you can log in with your personal email ID also. You will be able to get the details which I am showing you. So first of all, you have to come to this place called Get Certified. See, over here. Once you click on get certified, this is my personal Now Learning portal where my ID is registered. You can see what do you want to become. So from where you have to start? You have to start with ServiceNow Administrator. This is a path, first path. This is the first step to your career. Click here. Once you click here, it will show you the different paths. So yeah, ServiceNow certification guide. Come down. These are the pre-existing courses which you can take from ServiceNow website, which is nowlearning.servicenow.com. Once you complete these two, you are eligible for certified ServiceNow certified application voucher, and you will be eligible to get the code. So remember this, once you are getting into this prerequisites, once you complete this, you will be allowed to take the examination for CSA voucher with the help of CSA voucher. You can see this is normal system admin. You have to come to Now Learning. Now, if you are part of any organization, then this will be completely free for you. If you are not part of any organization, then in this case, what will happen? You have to pay some amount to ServiceNow to use their service to get certified. So that amount will be depend on ServiceNow or depend on you. That is approximately $300. But if you are part of any organization, it will be free of cost and even half the rate. This is for CSA. Now, once you get the voucher from here, the voucher will be available under your profile section. If you go here, profile, under this My Voucher section, your voucher will be available. If you notice, if you come here, your voucher will be available over here. I have few vouchers, so I will not be able to show you in this video. So if I click, I have some codes over there which I cannot share with you. I can go back to the certified, get certified again, and click on that option called System Admin. So you will get you all the path. Once you complete the path, you have to come to this particular website called webssr.servicenow.com, and the website link and the Now Learning link I will be putting in the chat window. You have to register yourself over here first. Once you register, the page look like this. ServiceNow, come down, all the details. You have your certification, my certification, receipt, register for exam. You have to come to this place called register for an examination. Let's say you have the voucher code already with you. Choose any of this. For example, you are selecting certified application developer. So there are two modes of exam. One is your online and one is your on-site. So if you are going to on-site, they will take care of all the stuff. Let's say you are going on the exam center, you are selecting the exam center, you are going there and you are giving the exam, that's it. But if you are taking online proctor, you have to have a webcam, external webcam, which is of around, it will cost around 900 Indian rupees. You should get this good quality of webcam and you should install that webcam along with your face camera. Means there are two cameras. One is your laptop camera or desktop camera and one is your external camera. So there will be two cameras. They need external webcam so that they can check around 360-degree view. They should know, and then you can start giving the examination. So I will not recommend you for online proctor. The reason is maybe if your internet connectivity is slow or your electricity is not there, then it might impact your certification. But in the past, there are people who has given online proctor. Even I have given it for 2 times. Unfortunately, one time my electricity was not there. Then I directly contact ServiceNow. You will get all the details to contact if in case of any issue. And they have resumed my exam when my electricity went. So remember this, you can give online, but on-site there's no issue. If their system itself is not working, then they can rectify their issue and they will help you. But here you can choose any of this. For example, I'm choosing online. Click on Buy Now. Once you click on Buy Now, you have to select the date and time over here. So let's take an example. Today is 24th. I'm going to select, let's say 30th. And let's say 12 p.m. Come down. You have all the details available over here. You can reschedule the exam. And one more thing, the voucher code validity is for 1 year. You can give exam within those 1 year. Click here, select. So once you select, it is added to your shopping cart and you will notice there is a voucher here. So you have to apply the voucher online. Once you apply the voucher, click on apply and you will notice you got your page where all the details are available. So this is how you will register for ServiceNow exam. Even you can reschedule it by coming to this particular website only, and you can reschedule exam once you have scheduled it. And you can see the price is 300 USD After tax, it is 354 USD. So if you are not part of any organization who are not using ServiceNow, then my suggestion is to don't buy this certification. First get a job and then you go for certification. And if again the cost is 354, once you get certified, it will be reimbursed by your organization, which is a general process. Now let me go back to my PPT. So this is one of the things which we have discussed, CSA. Now, once you have completed this CSA or CAD examination, either of these you can complete. There are other more certification in line with ServiceNow. One is your specialist certification, which is the next. See, product line, I'm going to show you IT. In IT, we have 7, 8, but I am showing you the most important one, which is your ITSM fundamentals. This course, we are doing it already. That is your ServiceNow fundamental is common to the ITSM fundamental. Here we will learn about coding also, non-coding also, catalogs, all the details we are going to learn here. So we are already covering this in my English and Hindi series, and that will give you an ITSM specialist, implementation specialist certification, that is called CIS ITSM. Now, if somebody has already completed CSA, they can go for ITSM. If they have not completed, it's not recommended to go for ITSM. Similarly, we have service mapping. Again, we have a fundamental, we have a mapping. So all these details will be shared in my YouTube channel. I am going to create all those videos, all those learning sessions with all the product line which is available in ServiceNow. So stay tuned. So you can see we have a CIS service mapping. Similarly, for discovery, we have CIS discovery. Now we have one more module called HR module. HR, human resource module. Okay, we have fundamental, we have implemental, and we have CIS human resource. So these are the basic things which you require to get certified in ServiceNow. If I take you back to my Now Learning portal, for example, there's an option called implementer. Click here. Once you click on this implementer, you will get this option on the top. Choose any one of this. Let's choose service mapping, for example. So once you choose service mapping, your path will be displayed over here. What you required. You can see these are the list of path. Complete all of the following. Complete this and complete. You will be doing this fundamentals and then once take your certification. So once you complete this path, then you will be able to get the certification in ServiceNow. So you will get the voucher in the voucher section. Once you get the voucher, go to the web assessor, select your exam. Let me show you again. Register for exam. And over here, you will choose anything. Application portfolio, cloud provision, event management. This was noted the cost $450 USD. So this will be completely free if you are being part of any organization. Or it will be of half cost. Or it will be of reimbursement part. It will be reimbursed. So don't get confused. If you are a fresher in ServiceNow, always remember you should start with your career with ServiceNow admin, which is over here. Once you start with this, you can get CSA, then CAD, and gradually you can go to the next level of ServiceNow. So I hope this clear all your doubts on certification. Even I wanted to show you one more thing before winding up the session. So once you come to this exam page, you have to register with the same email credential which you have used. Same email credential. So like you have used xyz@yourcompanyemailid.com, then you will use the same email credential to use it so that the certification will be mapped over here on your Now Learning portal. If you go here, go to the profile, and you will get all the details over here. How many certification you have completed, voucher, interest, company access, achievements, all those achievements are available over here. So remember this, you can do that, get all the details over here. So before winding up, I would like to show you something which is from ServiceNow side. So you can notice here, this is the complete guide of your certification. I will put the link in the description from where you can download this particular sheet of paper, where you can see your platform application, your HR module, your CS module, your IT modules, and what are the certification mapped over here. So mainline certification that is needed. So I tried in my best possible way to explain you about certification. Even I can put this link in the chat. You can go back and check it. In the description box, I'll put it. Go back and check what certification you required and what you will be doing. These are the mainline certification exam course. And this is a place where you will come and register. That's all for today. Thank you so much.